This list exists because laptops come with baggage most students don't talk about until they're stuck dealing with it every day. Loud fans during quiet lectures, heat building up on your lap, batteries that barely survive half a day after 1 year, slow boot times, heavy chargers, thick backpacks. Meanwhile, the actual work hasn't changed much. Notes, PDFs, essays, research tabs, online lectures, submissions through portals that barely function on their own. You don't need power, you need consistency, silence, battery life, and comfort. These tablets are the ones students end up keeping because they handle that exact workload without the usual laptop nonsense. Number 5. Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro, the surprisingly handles everything tablet. The Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro is one of those devices students buy without high expectations and then quietly rely on every day. It comes with an 11-inch IPS display at 2880 by 1800 with a 144 Hz refresh rate. That high refresh rate isn't about gaming, it's about comfort. Scrolling through long PDFs, lecture slides, and research articles feels smooth instead of jittery, which matters when you're reading for hours. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with up to 12 GB of RAM. That's more than enough for serious multitasking. You can have documents open, browser tabs loaded, lecture videos playing, and messaging apps running without the tablet slowing down or heating up. Battery life realistically covers a full day of classes and studying, and because there are no fans, it stays completely silent. Add the keyboard case and typing essays feel stable. Add a stylus and handwritten notes become practical for diagrams, formulas, and annotations. This tablet works because it doesn't pretend to replace a laptop. It simply avoids all the things that make laptops annoying. Number 4. ASUS ROG Flow Z13, tablet mode use, when you still want desktop flexibility. This one is for students who occasionally need more flexibility, but still hate traditional laptops. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13 functions as a tablet-first Windows device. It runs full Windows, meaning real desktop apps, real browsers, real file management, not mobile versions. If your coursework includes software that refuses to run on mobile platforms, this solves that problem without forcing a bulky laptop form. The 13.4-inch display uses a 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives you more vertical space for documents and coding environments. Performance comes from modern Intel processors with proper cooling, but unlike typical laptops, the tablet form keeps heat away from your hands and lap. Used with the detachable keyboard, it feels like a compact workstation. Detached, it becomes a note-taking device that doesn't trap you behind a keyboard all day. Battery life isn't class-leading, but it's predictable. No sudden slowdowns, no fan noise spikes during simple tasks. For students who need Windows power sometimes, but tablet comfort most of the time, this fills the gap. 3. OnePlus Pad, simple, fast, and focused. The OnePlus Pad is popular because it removes friction instead of adding features. The 11.6-inch LCD display uses a 7:5 aspect ratio, which is unusually tall and extremely good for reading and writing. You see more text vertically, which means less scrolling through documents and notes. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, it handles multitasking smoothly. You can split screens between notes and lectures, jump between apps, and keep browser tabs open without hiccups. The tablet is light, thin, and silent. Battery life comfortably lasts a full academic day, and charging is fast enough that short breaks actually matter. The stylus works well for handwritten notes, and the keyboard case makes typing essays feel straightforward. This tablet doesn't try to imitate a laptop. It simply supports how students actually work. Fast access, clean multitasking, no distractions. 2. Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. Big screen, no laptop stress. The MatePad Pro 13.2 is built around screen space and comfort. The 13.2-inch OLED display runs at 2880 by 1920 with a 144 Hz refresh rate. It's large enough to comfortably run multiple apps side by side, which is crucial for research-heavy workloads. Notes on one side, reference material on the other, without constantly switching apps. Performance is strong enough to keep everything fluid, and the tablet stays cool even during long sessions. The keyboard cover gives you a laptop-like typing experience, while the stylus excels at handwritten notes and precise annotations. Battery life covers a full day of heavy use, and the tablet remains silent the entire time. No heat buildup, no fan noise, no performance drops halfway through studying. For students who value screen real estate but hate laptop bulk, this tablet hits a sweet spot. 1. iPad Air latest generation, the quiet workhorse. The iPad Air sits in a unique position because it does almost everything students need without excess. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display is sharp, color accurate, and easy on the eyes during long reading sessions. Text looks clean, and scrolling through documents feels smooth and controlled. The processor inside is powerful enough that everyday tasks never feel delayed. Essays open instantly, browser tabs reload quickly, multitasking stays responsive even under pressure. The device stays cool and completely silent at all times. With the keyboard attached, typing papers feels natural. With the stylus, note-taking becomes intuitive instead of clumsy. Battery life consistently lasts a full day of classes and studying, which is where many laptops fail after a year. This tablet works because it doesn't try to do everything, it just does student work extremely well. Final perspective. This isn't about tablets replacing laptops for everyone. It's about recognizing that most student workloads don't benefit from laptop drawbacks anymore. Heat, noise, weight, and battery anxiety don't improve learning, they get in the way. If your academic life lives in documents, PDFs, research tabs, notes, and online lectures, these tablets already do that work more smoothly, quietly, and comfortably than traditional laptops ever did. At this point, carrying a laptop is often just habit, not necessity.